subscribers, welcome back to another vlog. So for today's video, I'm going to be making an everyday makeup look during this quarantine period. Kaya ko siya nasabing everyday makeup look, guys, kasi everyday kasi akong gumagawa ng videos like for my TikTok and for my YouTube channel. If hindi nyo napapansin, today is already our 7th day of uploading consistently on my YouTube channel. So I'm very proud of us. Congratulations. And I think this makeup look will only take me 10 minutes or less siguro, guys, because maliit lang kasi yung makeup products na nadala ko dito sa province since lahat ng mga makeup products ko is nasa Cebu. So ayan, if you guys are interested in what makeup products I use, then just keep on watching. So kakatapos ko lang magligo. So maglalagay tayo ng moisturizer. So I'm using Celatec Hydration Moisturizer. Wala pala akong mirror. I'm only using the viewfinder as my mirror. Then, after that, I'm going to grab my jade roller. Mas maganda to, guys, pag nilalagay niyo siya sa ref, tsaka ilagay niyo siya sa face niyo. Super maganda siya sa feeling. So, next, I'm using Lanvena Pore Treatment Serum to shrink my pores. Hindi lang halata, guys, pero may pores ako. So, next step is maglalagay tayo ng primer. Oh, by the way, yung brand pala nito is Pretty Secret Oil Control Pore Minimizer Primer. Ayan, nabili ko siya sa Watsons kasi super affordable niya lang. 199 pesos, I think. And then after, we are gonna use sunscreen, tinted sunscreen, SPF 50. Ayan, kahit nasa bahay lang kayo, guys, gumamit pa din kayo ng sunscreen. Magkikilay muna tayo. I'm using the one from Caroline, Best Basic. Okay, next is concealer. I'm using the one from Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade 120 Light. Ayan, sorry if medyo maingay. Yung gagamitin ko lang is Caroline Jelly Tint para magmukha siyang natural. Ayan, diba? Mukha siyang natural. Drunk blush. Actually, pwede nyo din gamitin yung kamay nyo. Okay, so next step is loose powder. Since eto lang yung meron ako and wala ako nung compact powder, so eto yung gagamitin natin. This one's from Nichido, Ivory Glow. Okay, so next step is contour. I'm using the one from NARS. Then next is highlighter. Then para pak na pak yung highlighter natin, basain natin siya konti na Mario Badescu na facial spray, or you can use any facial spray you like. Oh, pak. Yan, wala akong curling iron. Eyelash curler pala. Wala akong eyelash curler. Curling iron. Wala akong eyelash curler, guys. So, okay lang yan. Usually, I use lip tint. Ayan, this one's from Lovely Cosmetics in the shade Ambition. And minsan naman, yung nilalagay ko is Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade, I don't know, but, Best Babe. Ayan, so konti lang kasi matte kasi to. One swipe. Okay, so final step is yung spray. Finishing touch.
I'm an ex-flying, but you probably never see me. I push your Lamborghini, choke your magic like Houdini. My body shaped like genie, booty dreamy, waist is teeny. Yes, I told him to get titles, so he stream me when he leave me. I go hard in the booth.
So yeah, this is now the final look of my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me, comment down below for any video suggestions or video requests. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.